Okay, my friend, Roger once again, and again, things that we thought were kind of silly are starting to not look quite so silly. This is a map from 1587. It's a map of the globe, and it was made in all these panels. Wait till you see this. Blew me away. David Rumsey Map Collection. Largest early world map. This is 10 feet square. Now, and it gets into some pretty good detail about the creatures that would live in here and there, and there's some text about here and there. And these are all these different panels. Now, I'm not going to get too detailed here, but look, it's showing you what they knew about the lands at the time. And again, what creatures, and I don't know what they knew, but they knew a lot of things that we thought were silly. And now I'm finding out a lot of these things weren't as silly as they look. That, oh, those crazy people. Well, maybe not. And all these panels, when they put it together, it turned into a globe. You see all these panels together? When they wrapped it up, it turned into a globe. A mind at work. So anyway, you can look that up. I'll put a link to it.